In this video, how to fix this issue when launching the FACEIT client. You're seeing this problem because the client is currently running with elevated permissions. You can check this in Task Manager. Search for the client. Right-click on it and select Go to Details. Now, enable the elevated column. You'll see yes if the file is running with elevated rights. To fix this, let's open the registry editor. Navigate to this key. Double-click on this dword value and set its data to 1. Restart your computer to apply the changes. As you can see, the warning is no longer appearing. The file is now running without elevated rights. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.